innovation doesn't come easy. And this is a major innovation at a time when it's needed in the industry.
QuikProof is very easy to use.
I've actually had people come up to me at a trade show and say, and get on their knees and say, you're my divine light. Where have you been all my life?
Since the early 2000s, QuikProof President and CEO Cindy Hatfield has been looking for a solution to the outdated and time-consuming check-proof printing process. The inherent problems with what many describe as an archaic system almost drove this longtime distributor out of the business. Frustrated with the entire process, she decided to do something about it.
I created a software that solved a problem in the printing industry that I saw. I was a distributor for 9 years, and I got tired of all the back and forth communications, the fuzzy faxes, the phone tag, and trying to get all the bank coding right from the banks, and I just got tired of it. I almost gave up printing because of it.
The system she has created now provides accurate and safe check proofs in minutes instead of days or weeks. It's a proof-to-print process that has many benefits to distributors.
Benefit to them is they save time. The burden's on the customer now. Customer goes through the ordering process, sees their proof, hits submit, goes directly into the order entry system at the printers.
Takes the responsibility away from the distributor and the printer and really puts it on the person that knows best what they want, which is the end consumer.
Dave Eckley is the president and founder of Philtech, a fulfillment company based out of Cincinnati, Ohio. His company handles all of the IT and operational aspects for many powerhouse international companies like Avon, Tommy Hilfiger, and National Geographic.
Now they've added QuikProof to their portfolio, and the infrastructure is already in place to implement and support distributors and manufacturers.
We support their customer service calls. We also support their the initial setup of the site for the distributors. We're responsible then for the data flow from the website through to the printer. The real innovation of QuikProof is we've eliminated all the paperwork process. It's now all a systems process.
In other words, checks can be ready for press with just the click of a mouse. Now, distributors no longer have to deal with all of the time-consuming administrative work and customer service hassles that used to be standard procedure.
The big benefit for the distributor is they get to basically go out and do what they set out to do in business. They want to sell. They don't want to be administrative clerks. They want to sell. So this was developed so they could just do their job.
QuikProof has also teamed up with Ameriprint Corporation, who prints all types of forms, including checks to forms distributors and other printers. Gary St. Onge is the Vice President of Sales and Marketing at Ameriprint.
Our customers can log on. They can enter all the information. As I said, all the information is data-based, so the bank coding comes out properly spaced. The bank fraction is correct. All the bank information is there. All they have to do is add the customer's information, their name, address, what have you, how many signature lines they want, and they are immediately presented with a PDF proof to show their customer to get approval. And at that point, if the customer approves a proof, they can submit the order to us, and we have the typeset already. We're ready to roll. We can bypass the entire pre-press operation and go directly to printing.
Printers and distributors everywhere are now realizing there is in fact a better way to do business and a new way to watch their profits grow. It's all thanks to Cindy Hatfield, who saw a problem and figured there had to be a better way. The frustrations she experienced over the better part of a decade were all worth it, because now the impact of her brainchild is being felt industry-wide.
There's no greater feeling to look into a distributor's eyes and know that I helped solve their problems, to take away their frustrations, and to know that I helped do that.
Contact your print manufacturer to see if they are already set up with QuikProof. If not, go to QuikProof.com to fill out the inquiry form and we can get the process started.